Hi there and welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops, and welcome back to life in the snow globe. Yeah, it's that time of the year and it's what's been happening lately, so just have to deal with it. It's beautiful though. Look at how beautiful it is today. And the cool thing about this is that I'm going to do a follow-up on something that I have been leaving you hanging on, and some people have been asking me about it, and yes, DJI came through. They were very cool about my loss of the drone, and even so much as to comment on my thread that I had on YouTube. And they were very, very good with their communication, getting back to me, telling me where everything stood. They wanted certain telemetry, that kind of thing. And eventually it was deemed that it was a warranty issue, and they sent me a new FPV drone. Unfortunately, I've not had much of a chance to fly it yet. And we've had some pretty horrendous weather, and I've been on the road. But today is the day, because as you can see, it's a beautiful lacy day around here and it's calm as could be. So let me go get everything set up and I'll take you on a flight, all right? And thanks again to DJI for being so cool. You guys rock, believe me. You took it very seriously, and you know, I'm really, really pleased, and you solidified me as one of your loyal patrons. So thanks again. So let's get flying. So something I've learned flying FPV is you want to sit down. Best to sit down when you're flying. So let's see here. Let me get this all together. Now I have booted it up, so I know that I'm bound with this controller. So this is the controller I had for the original bird, and that I've been flying my my Avata with. So yeah, let's get this thing off the ground. There's that cool sound I love. So good to have this back, or not this back, but it's so good to have another one. Thanks again, DJI. I really appreciate this. All right, I'm getting it. Let's go. Next imagery will be from the drone itself, I think. Here we go. There we go. Let's go for it. Wow. Everything seems to be working good. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay over land for a little while. That way, if something happens and it comes down, I can at least retrieve it. Oh, this is fantastic. Look at it, it's beautiful. Oh boy, this is fun. It's good to have it back. Flies a little more, you know, I can feel it. It's a little more stable than the Avata, just because it's bigger and heavier. I'll bring it up past me and we'll see. Go up and down the road here. Whew, felt the wind of that. Yeah, this is good. Everything feels good. Feels just like the old one. And of course, I'm flying in normal mode right now, so I have, you know, it's got obstacle avoidance on. There's a car going by up there. Let's see if there it goes. On the road a little ways. I'm a little nervous because I don't know what my range is going to be. So far so good. Let's go up over the road. Let's come up over the trees and come back. There we go, look at that. See the lake out there? See, that's the big Lake Michigan. And I'm turning towards the little town of Cross Village where I often take you. You can see the spots of conifer trees out there. Okay, let's look down a little bit. It's cool, all's looking good. Ooh, let's go over there. The snow and the pines looks great. It's great to have such a nice still day after what we've been dealing with. It's been very windy. Yeah, there's those trees. It's beautiful. Okay. Way off in the distance there, you can see the ski hills. So let's bring it on back. There's the house. The workshop, yeah, and there I am down there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take it up to the road and bring it back on the road. I don't want to try to thread through the trees right now. Yeah, this is great. Good to have it back. Good to be able to fly finally. In DJI's defense, it didn't take all this time to get the bird. I got it back about 2 weeks ago. I just have been on the road and haven't been able to go anywhere up in the air, and then the weather's been bad, so okay, getting a battery right now. Just trying to return to home, so what I'm going to do is bring it in the right way. I might have stopped the video there for a bit. Yeah, just trying to get it back here before the battery goes dead. It says I got 23%. Should be good. All right, whoa, don't want to hit me. I'm gonna go over here and land on the porch where it's nice and dry. All right. Good times. All right, works good. Thanks, DJI. Thanks for watching this one. If you liked it, give me the thumbs up as usual. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. And anyway, I really appreciate you watching. And there ends the saga of the FPV loss. So let's see if I can't keep this one for a little while. All right, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.